Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So for larger trend, we will be looking into Nifty weekly candle chart, and for taking any kind of trade, we will going to look into 1 day candle or 15 minute. So in weekly candle chart, you can clearly see that in Nifty it shows positive movement in this week, and it also trades above 70,800 level, which is previously act as a support level, but previous week it breaks that, but right now it trades above 70,850. So my suggestion would be, if on a Monday if it opens flat or opens gap down, and if it trades below 17,800 level, then you can expect some kind of selling pressure here, and target you can set to 17,600. And for taking any kind of buying trade, my suggestion would be wait for another 1 or 2 days. If it trades above 17,900 or round level 18,000, or even if it trades above 18,000 in the next week, then also you can expect some buying pressure here. And for taking any kind of selling trade, let's look into 1 day candle chart. So in 1 day candle chart, you can clearly see that Nifty try to closes above by making a W pattern here. It continuously goes down, and someday it goes up, and another 2 days it goes down. But on expiry day and Friday, it shows some positive movement here. So as I said, it needs to closes above 70,900 level for taking any kind of trade, because previously it took resistance from that level. So it needs to closes above that for taking any kind of trade, and target you can set to round level 18,000. Let's assume that if it opens gap down, and if it open trades below 70,800 or 70,750 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here also. So in 1 day candle chart, it looks positive to me, but it needs to closes above 70,900 for taking any kind of buying trade. Let's look into 15 minute candle. In 15 minute candle, you can clearly see that on expiry day it goes sideways, and also on Friday it goes sideways for another 1.5 hour. But at the end it looks positive, and it shows some positive movement here, and it trades around 70,850. So as I said, it needs to open flat, or if it needs to closes above 70,900 for taking any kind of trade, and target you can set to 70,975. Next target will be round level 1800. And let's assume that if it opens a gap up around 18,000 level or 70,950 level and shows any kind of negative movement there, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and stop loss will be always high up that candle, and target you can set to 7,842, round level 7,800. And if it opens a gap down, and if it trades below 7,720 or round level 700 and shows any kind of negative movement after that, then you can expect some selling pressure here also, and target will be around 70,642, round level 7,600. And that's all about Nifty. Now let's look into Bank Nifty in weekly candle chart. So in Bank Nifty, it also made a positive candle here, but it did not closes above 41,600, which is previously act as a support level, and on the previous week it breaks that support. So it needs to closes above that 41,600 or 700 level for taking any kind of trade. So my suggestion would be, if it goes sideways in between 42,000 or 41,500 level, then next week we can expect some large trend here until 43,000, or if it breaks 41,500 or 41,000 level, then you can expect some selling pressure until 40,000 to 39,500 level. So now let's look into 1 day candle chart. So in 1 day candle chart, it also makes a W pattern here, and it try to close this above 41,600 level. So my suggestion would be, if it opens flat and if it trades above 41,600, then you can expect some buying pressure here, and target will be round level first, which is round level 42,000. And for taking any kind of selling trade, if it opens gap up or if it opens flat and shows any kind of negative movement on Monday, then you can expect some selling pressure here also, and target you can set to 41,152, round level 41,000. So for taking any kind of trade, let's look into 15 minute candle. So in 15 minute candle, you can see one thing, notice that it continuously took resistance from that 41,500 to 600 level for 2 to 3 days, and on budget day it also took resistance from that 42,000 level. So as I said, if it opens flat and it trades above 41,600, then you can expect some buying pressure here, and our fast target will be 41,800. Next target you can set to round level 42,000. Let's assume that it opens around 42,000 or 41,900 level and shows any kind of negative movement around that zone, then you can expect some selling pressure here, because previously it took resistance from that level, and so those seller who did not take any kind of selling trade, they will going to take trade for selling, because they missed that kind of rally. So it may be so some negative movement here, then you can expect some selling pressure. And if it opens a gap down, and if it trades below 41,300 or 200, then after that we can expect some selling pressure here also, and our fast target will be round level 41,000. Next target you can set to 40,800, and third target will be 40,730. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. So for taking any kind of buying trade or selling trade on Bank Nifty options, you need to look into Bank Nifty components, which is as follows. If HDFC Bank shows positive movement, or other 3-4 banks shows positive movement, and Bank Nifty also showing any kind of positive movement, then you can expect some buying pressure here. And if banks are going sideways, then you can plan for sideways in Bank Nifty also. So in HDFC Bank, it looks positive to me, but it trades above 1616. Then you can expect some buying pressure here. Target will be 1665 to round level 1670. But if it opens around 1670 and it shows any kind of negative movement, then you can expect some selling pressure there. In ICICI Bank, it also looks sideways to me, but it needs to close this above 875 or 880. Then you can expect some buying pressure there. So in SBI Bank, it also looks positive right now, but it needs to close this above 550 for taking any kind of buying trade. You can immediately take trade for selling if it trades below 540, or if it opens a gap of around 550 and shows any kind of negative movement, then you can also take trade for selling. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, it also looks kind of positive to me, but it needs to close this above 1795. Then after that, we can expect some buying pressure here. In Axis Bank, it also made a W pattern and tried to close this above, but it needs to sustain above 885 or 887. Then after that, you can expect some buying pressure there. In IndusInd Bank, it also goes sideways here, but it needs to close this above 1125 or 1130 for taking any kind of buying trade. But you can take trade for selling if it trades below 1100 on Monday, and target will be around 1075. And that's all about today, guys. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet on another day.